How to get $100,000 of business credit with bad personal credit and no credit check. Have you found it difficult to find business credit for your business? Do they all require your social security number and a personal guarantee? No, they don't all, okay? It's not true. And I'm going to show you how you can gain $100,000 in business credit, even if you have bad personal credit, with Revenued business card and no credit check. This is the channel that provides you an all-access pass to everything capital, credit, and cash flow, so you can ensure that you have the right financial literacies for business success. Stop saying I'm in a side hustle and start saying I am open for business. I got to ask you, what would you do with an extra $100,000 that's injected right into your business in as little as 3 days? We're about to find out. Let's dive in. I'm about to share with you how you can gain access to $100,000 in business credit without a hard pull to your credit. That's right, no credit check on this business card, all right? You will have access to either cash or a line of credit, and you don't have to worry about any qualifying expenses. What you're going to spend the money on is whatever you decide to spend the money on. So use it as needed for working capital, or as I would use it, to expand and grow my business. I would use it as a debt weapon. Take it from me, everybody. I'm Edward Bilder, real estate investor, millionaire, entrepreneur, coach, educator, engineer, and father of 4. And I've spent the past 2 years teaching members of my YouTube channel and my community and members of my courses on how to use debt weapons and leverage those debt weapons to open new streams of cash flow, expanding their businesses, growing business credit, you name it. We teach it right here on this channel. We did it with PPP, and we did it with EIDL, and now we're doing it with other financial institutions. Today we're going to talk about a financial institution named Revenued and the Revenued business card. Now on this channel I talk a lot about business credit and replacing business credit with your personal credit, leveraging those business cards as debt weapons and not ever having them tied to your personal credit score is a major advantage for your business and growing into new markets, right? Now, I'm not going to go into any details on establishing business credit or establishing a business in this video. You can check out my link here. There's a playlist that'll teach you all of those tools. But today in this video, we're going to focus in on a lender who could provide you access of up to $100,000 without any credit check, and that is Revenued.com. There'll be a link to their website in the description if you want to check them out firsthand and go and apply for this process. Revenued is owned by 5-Hole LLC as a private equity portfolio under Capital Z Partners. Capital Z founded Pearl Capital, which offers advanced online technologies to manage the underwriting process with flexible terms. These terms are extremely flexible, okay? Revenue defines their purpose as using capital like a utility to power your business in the background and to always have capital available whenever the business needs it, regardless of your credit score. Very important there, regardless of your credit score. Their motto is, we care less about your credit score and more about your business. Imagine if all lenders said that to you. We don't care about your credit score. We care about your business. Now, I refer to these things as debt weapons. Most traditional debt weapons do require your credit score, and they do require a personal guarantee. Now, Revenued offers other services like cash flow, business credit, business banking, business loans, business finance, and business revenue. But today, we're going to focus in right on that Revenued business card. Now, this process is similar to some of the other processes I talk about on this channel. Like I talk about PayPal working capital, and I also talk about Square's process of qualifying you for loans. Now, because there is no credit check, Revenued takes a similar approach to PayPal, and that is they look into your transactional history inside of your business checking account. So business checking accounts are required for the qualifications. But unlike PayPal that requires you to use the PayPal transactions only, Revenued will allow you to link any bank account that you desire. Linking it, as long as it pairs up with Plaid, you could link your bank account during the application process. Now, who exactly will qualify for a Revenued business card? You have to operate within the United States. You cannot be a startup for this particular one. You have to be open a minimum of 6 months or greater. 6 months isn't a long time, and if you follow a lot of my videos, I tell you, once you open your business, open your checking account at the same time and start gaining history there, right? There are no personal accounts allowed, and the business banking account cannot go negative for more than 3 days in the month. There is no credit check, no FICO score, and a little tip here, accounts with $10,000 of monthly activity will see higher credit limits, all right? Now, let's talk about processing time and the limits and the use of funds. Wow, I'm revealing all of my biggest secrets in this video. Remember to hit the like button and become a subscriber to access future videos. Hit that bell notification if you want to be notified of my next upcoming video. And if you want me to go into more depth on anything within this video, leave a comment down below. The best secret to growing wealth quickly is to bring others along with you. So remember, share this with all of your friends and all your family. Let's get back to the video. As promised, let's talk about timing, limits, and types of credit. The application process is both automated and manual. There is some underwriting that is manual in this process, but the automated portion can get you back an approval and a limit within 24 hours. The final underwriting could take anywhere up to 3 days to close, and then the card is now activated. The limit, a max of $100,000, as promised on the thumbnail. And the type of credit here can be drawn out as cash as a withdrawal or accessed as a line of credit. Now, I want to read something from their Q&As here. It says, how does Robinhood business card work? The Robinhood business card can be used to make purchases just like any money card. The difference is there are no credit obligations, no interest, and no damage to your credit report. The Robinhood business card is unique because its funding model is adjustable enough to underwrite business in any industry with limited revenue, operating history, and profitability. It really increases your odds. If you have lower profitability, lower operating history, and limited revenue, you can qualify for this card as well. Now, I do have the Robinhood card linked in the description. And remember, when you're out there accessing funds and you finally gain access to those funds, use them to create new and additional revenue streams. I teach people this all the time in my courses and in my crash courses where I open Airbnbs and other revenue streams. I use debt weapons, I leverage them, and I go out and expand my business. If you're out there operating or expanding or opening an Airbnb and you need my help, go to the description and join my email list. It's easy to do. Just punch in your email and hit subscribe and you'll get a notification that you've been added to the list. I'm always giving away free templates and free content to Airbnbs and Airbnb strategies. And if you'd like access to my crash course on Airbnb, you could find that in the description as well. Remember, I have limited availability because I will be merging this crash course with my master course and it will no longer be offered for such a great value. Learn how to get into the Airbnb game with a $50 bill, cash flow in 3 business days, earning an extra $5,000 to $10,000 each and every month. The process is very easy and repeatable. You just keep repeating it over and over again when you want to scale, and you could use things like the Robinhood business card as a debt weapon to open that business and grow quickly. Guys, if you want to set up a coaching call with me, a one-on-one, find me in the description as well. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Make sure you get out there and take these actions. Bye for now.